Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you 2 card kits I was given. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. Now just before we get into it, I was given this set as well. I already opened it, but my cat started being sick, so I didn't think anybody wanted to hear that. Papercraft Inspirations. It is from Naomi Designs, artist and illustrator. We have a unicorn, seahorse, fish, octopus, lanterns, weather, turtles, trees, and live your best life with birds and some vines. And then all these washi strips. Today is going to be awesome. Repeated. Wonderful, you, lovely. Live your best life. You light up my world. Enjoy the little things. Relax and enjoy this moment. Do more of what you love. But they are just long strips. You would need to cut them down if you wanted them to be smaller. This one has lots of illustrated designs. Limes, maracas, cacti, hot sauce, guitars, sombreros and chilies. Then we have the ocean themed. Octopus, starfish, turtles, seahorse, whales, fish and crabs. And then we have little individual flags, triangles, circles, hearts with sea life. This one is Christmas trees, trees in general, leaves, all the same shapes again. Then we have the Mexican style one with chilies and guitars, maracas, cacti. This one is unicorns and rainbows. This one has I wish, love, dream big at the top. Lots of sentiments. You are my sunshine, make a wish, PS I love you, don't stop having fun, relax, magic, hi. The last 2 letters. Live, laugh, love, make a wish, go out, dazzle, hey there, smile, fun, happy, joy, believe. Then we have a floral page, lots of different floral banners and things, birds, and a few more rainbows and weather. And then we have this trees, flowers, patterns. So that is pretty cool. And as I said, that came from the Papercraft Inspirations magazine. This is Make Special Cards, 193 fab gifts plus 52 page magazine. So let's open it and see what's inside. We've got the magazine and then we have this big, huge kit of stuff. Does this say when it was? This is a spring kit, May 2019. As I said, one of my newsagents gets things right away, another one doesn't get them that quickly. First off, we have a stamp set with some calico style pets. We have dogs and cats. Hope you're feline better. Let's Porty, just for you, have a perfect day. Happy birthday, fairy wish, let love bloom, have a magical birthday, where the magic grows, your fairy special. And then we have the fairies at the bottom, very pretty. Then there is card bases. Let's have a look and see how many we get. They are square, I believe. There's 6 card bases and envelopes. And this is a giant bag of papers and toppers. We have our cats and dogs with some borders. I love meow. Hope you're feline better. Birthday wishes and puppy dog kisses with love. Oh, then we have the gorgeous fairies. How pretty. Happy birthday just for you with love and thanks. Love the daisy border. Not the same, they are different. Each of them seems to have the 3 strips. Let's Porty, cats, dogs, extra embellishments with buttons and balls of wool and a dog bone and a bowl. Happy birthday, fairy, happy birthday. You're a cool cat. You're the cat's whiskers. I'm just trying to divvy them back up into their animal and then fairy stacks. Then this one has more of the pretty fairies, some tags, buttons, flowers. This one has some flowers and buttons as well. Just for you, birthday wishes on your birthday. Then we get a boatload of papers. 3 of each, daisies and leaves, flowers and wood grain, cats and dogs, cats and spots, filigree style design and flowers, stripes and dogs, tulips and itty bitty spots, stripes and itty bitty spots, wool and stripes. You certainly get plenty of paper to go with all those toppers. There's a fairy gift bag template in here. I actually have a die that makes bags and I think it's a little bit bigger than this, so I would probably use that. and then you have tags. They layer up. Gift box template, pillow box template. I have seen this one. So this must be a monthly magazine because I remember seeing the piggies as well. And then there is some step-by-step projects in here. Make some really pretty cards. Everything you need to make a bunch of cards. And I think this whole magazine is to do with everything in your kit. I've not used this one before, so I didn't know that the whole magazine was about the kit, so that's pretty interesting. 60 pattern papers, 101 die cut toppers, 20 fab stamps, 6 square card blanks, 6 white envelopes, and a 52-page magazine with lots and lots of ideas. Hello, sick kitty. This is the August version of Make Cards Today. Another place you can often pick these up, just the kit part of it without the magazine, is on Facebook. A lot of people I have seen have the kits for sale. This one is Teddy Bears and Tropical, and we have pink and blue cardstock this time. And not only do we have stamps, we have 2 embossing folder strips. Looks like we have some paper towel on the back. Oh, it looks like we have lots of paper towel this time instead of our papers. Unfortunately, I hate cutting paper towel out. Oh, look at these. That's pretty cool. I like them. My cat is in the way. There we go. And there are some papers, but they are very glossy ones. The other ones were matte papers. You've got records and headphones, and this doesn't really match the stamps, weirdly. Stripes and boxes, cars and triangles, triangles and cameras. And then we have some more sentiments that match those. Boys' toys, happy birthday for you. Birthday wishes, on your birthday with love, thanks. Jennifer Ellery for Immediate Media Company. All this is Jennifer Ellery. And then this one we have a wedding collection, wedding day wishes. Special day, congratulations with love, Mr. and Mrs. Oh, that's pretty. The lace and the floral, the hearts and the spots, the horseshoes and the floral border. That would make a very large card. Swans and stripes. We have some more little topper bits for the Happily Ever After collection. Then we get to the Teddy Bears Picnic, which is what these stamps are, I imagine. Kitty! I'm sorry if for the light. My cat is macking on the light right now. Teddy Bears Picnic. We have some tags. Look, they've given you the outline to cut around it if you want to keep that border. Buttons, teddy bears and bunnies. We have gingham and florals, pink stripes and boxes. Oh dear. Flowers and more spots, teacups and saucers and a grid. Then we are on to Teddy Bears Picnic and Tiki Party tags and sentiments. Have a great day. Aloha on your birthday. Best wishes. Lots of love. Then we have some tropical hibiscus and an animal print. Pineapples and florals and leaves. Coconuts and floral outlines. Tikis and toucans and palm trees. And then onto the toppers. There's florals and tikis and toucans and pineapples. Then we have some more of the paper towel. This one is Adam Prescott. And we have the bunnies and bears. I think they are the same as at the start. I'll go and have a look. Oh, didn't we just have that one? So that is the same as that. Pretty sure we just had that one too. There is a couple of each variety. I just want to check. Boys' Toys, Jennifer Ellery. Jennifer Ellery. So they're all Jennifer Ellery. Jennifer Ellery and Adam Prescott did this one. And the Happily Ever After was Jennifer Ellery. So Adam Prescott did the one with the teddy bears and rabbits and giraffes with Jennifer Ellery. Our stamps have both the rabbit and a couple of bears, toucan, tiki, palm tree, coconut, pineapple, and we have a floral border. You are Tiki-rific. Aloha. Have an amazing day. And then we'll have a quick look at what our inspiration is. We have some nice boyish mannish cards, some paper told rabbits and bears and giraffes, beautiful wedding cards, and some tropical cards. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at these mags. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. Just jumping back in to show you, I made a few quick cards. I'm going to add some bling and things to some of these to give them a little bit more of a lift, but I made a cat and a dog card. I stamped with the Dilutions black marble on this one. And then I made some fairy cards. Used one of the border strips. These are the Elizabeth Crafts banners and matching dies. And I stamped that one with sunflower. This one uses all the things from the kit, and then I've just added a stitched circle die in the background. This one isn't stuck down yet because I want to add some string or ribbon to the tag. I stamped this one with Vivid Chartreuse. For this one I used the Have a Magical Birthday, and I just inked up this portion of the stamp and scattered it around the background with the Vivid Chartreuse. And for this one I used the Have a Perfect Day from the stamp set, but I cut it in half so I could stack the sentiment and it would fit in my space. So there's a quick look at a couple of the cards I've made. I'm going to, as I said, add some bling to zhuzh them up a bit, and they were nice and easy to make. I did have a bit of trouble starting, so I took inspiration from this panel here to make this card. And then I used one of the leftover pieces on this card, and I still have another leftover piece to make another card. But by the time I got to this stage, it was ungodly o'clock and I needed to go to bed. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the cards. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.